I've been running through rain that I thought.
After the disaster, I really thought na it was the end of the world. Kay masirum talaga din bagabat feeling ko talaga hopeless talaga. Ito ba na wash out ang mga balay din ang church kami mismo din we were filled with grief talaga. Nahadlok kami nga tanan, nagtotoo kami. Gingkukul ba kami ang mga nahitabo talaga. Kay grabe-grabehan, nagkahulos kami. As in, we really felt talaga zero, as in end of the world na, wari na talaga.
There's hope in front of me. There's a light, I still see it. There's a hand still holding me, even when I don't believe.
And Hope for the Living Philippines. And amon pala, first Sunday namon, there were 70 nga nag-receive kan Jesus. So, dako talaga ito na blessing. And some of them, until now, ani pa yan na hera. Nagpadayon hera pag-fellowship pa amon. And feeding program, dako talaga ni-arola amon church kay as I said before, talaga as in, wari talaga kami resources. Ining amon church, dako talaga kami expenses, pero wari talaga kami funds. So with this Hope for Living Philippines na feeding program, yan na, may na kay materials, abundant blessing ito yan, pati pagod pagkaon. It mga bata, busog-busogan talaga. Di rely ito physical, but pati ka po na spiritual.
Shining right then and there, you realize you'll be alright.
Unya ang Hope for Living Philippines program, amo ini ang gingamit han Ginoo nga ang mga community, mga people han community makakilala kan God. And then ini nga Hope for Living program nakabulig sa church kapag gather og damo pa nga mga kabataan ngan pati mga parents. O ini nga mga kabataan, more than 100 of children and adults accept Jesus Christ as their Lord and Savior. And then may da kabataan nga haranihirang han Ginoo tungod kay nakakabasahira han mangga Misaya. Though ito nga mangga Misaya English because ito nga story na ginhimo pinaagihan comics na intindihan nila bisan dili sila maara magbasa.